A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Mass Online Education. Children, in the previous class we have completed chapter 6. Name of the chapter square roots and cube roots. Okay children, today we are discussing about a new chapter, chapter 7. Name of the chapter frequency distributions table and graphs. So in the concepts of data and measures of central tendency, in the concepts are mean, median and mode. Here mean is a arithmetic mean and step deviation of method, median, mode. Next, data and definition. So, children, first we learn the data. Any information collected in the form of numbers, words, measurements, symbols, or in any other form is called data. Okay, children, did you understand? Any information collected in the form of numbers, words, measurements, symbols, anyone, or in any other form is called a data. For example, common English words and next symbols and associations, measurements and numericals. Okay children, next topic is measures of central tendency. It means of mean, median and mode. First we learn the mean. It means of arithmetic mean. What is a arithmetic mean? Definition and formula explanation. What is the definition? Sum of all observations by number of observations. So here x bar, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn by n. Sum of all observations by number of observations. X bar equal to the mean and x1 is the first value of observations, x2 is a second value of observations and x3 is the value of third and xn is a last value and n is a number of observations. Okay children? Example 1. Ashok got the following marks in different subjects in a units test. So here Ashok got the following marks in different subjects. All subjects marks are given that. So it is for example, you have to take the Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social. What is the arithmetic mean of his marks? What is the definition? What is the formula for arithmetic mean? The arithmetic mean is sum of all observation divided by number of observations. Okay children, so here solution. First you write the observations. First you write in observations. So what are that observations here? 20, 11, 21, 25, 23 and 14. So number of observations. Number of observations. So here how many number observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there. Okay children. So what is the formula? Arithmetic mean equal to sigma. It is read as a sigma xi by n. It means of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on plus xn by capital N. It means number of all observations. So here 6 observations are given. So here 20 plus 11 plus 21 plus 25 plus 23 plus 14 by n means here number of observations. Capital N is a number of observations. So we know that here given the sum right here Sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay children, what is the formula? Arithmetic mean is formula sum of all observations by number of observations. So sum of all observations. So here write 20 plus 11 plus 21 plus 25 plus 23 plus 40 by number of observations. How many observations are there? 6. So here adding 20 plus 11, 31. 31 plus 21, 52. 52 plus 25, 77. 77 plus 23, 100. 100 plus 14, 114 by 6. So, do the division, 114. So, here first digit is single one is there, it is not possible. So, you have to take the 2-digit numbers. So, 6 ones are 6. 11 minus 6, 5. 5 and write the 4. Write down 4. 9 4 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. So, it is a 19. The arithmetic mean, it means a average. It means a average. That is a total average of all subjects equal to 19. Okay children, the arithmetic means 19. Did you understand? Arithmetic mean is a the all subjects of average marks. Total average marks. Okay. Okay children, did you understand this one? Okay. Next example 2. Arithmetic mean of 7 observations was found to be 32. So once observe that here arithmetic mean of 7 observations was found to be 32. It means of 7 observations 32. It means of 7 is all 32. Okay. Next, if one more observation 48 was added. So here 7 observations is there. One more added, it means 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Total how many observations are there? 8 observations, because of already given that 7 observations. One more. If one more observations is 48 is added. So 7 plus 1 equal to 8 was added to the data. So here what would be the new mean of the data? We know that arithmetic mean x bar equal to sigma xi by capital N. Sigma xi by capital N. So here sigma xi by N means sum of all observations by here N is a number of observations. So here meaning of N number of observations. It is a sum of all observations. Okay. So here number of observations equal to 7 plus 1 equal to 8 observations. So, sum of all observations, sum of all observation is equal to, so how many times of writing 32? 7 times. 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32. Okay. 32 plus 32. Here all 32s are there 7 times. We should write here 32 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22. So here write 32 into 7, that is equal to 224. It is a sum of all observations. Okay. Next here one more observation is added. One more observation is added equal to 48. So it is 224 plus 48. So here 48, 12, 2 plus 4 6 plus 7 272. It is a sum of all observations. Sum of all observations. So number of observations is 8 because of already given that the 7 observations and one more observation is added. 41 is a extra added. So 7 plus 1 equal to 8 observations. Now by using arithmetic mean formula, x bar equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. So sum of all observations, how? 272. So number of observations 8. So do the division. 272. 8 ones 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 is 24. 7 minus 4 3, 2 minus 2 0. Now write in down 2. So 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So here 34. Therefore arithmetic mean is 34. Okay children. So here what would be the new mean of data? So arithmetic mean is 34. So mean of 8 observations data. Mean of 8 observations data. Mean of 8 observations data equal to 34. Okay children. Next example 3. Mean age of 25 members of a club was 38 years. Mean age of 25 members of a club was 38 years. So here 25 members. It means of number of observations. 25 members. So each one age is the 38 years. So 25 members are there. So here 38 years. Each one is here 38 years. If 5 members with mean age is 42 years. So in 25 members, 5 members have 42 years. So 42 years age members left in the club. It means of below 38 and 38 years only adding the club numbers. Okay children. So here if 5 members the mean age of 42 years have left club. It means of 25 minus 5 equal to 20. So it is a now present how many numbers are there? 20 numbers. Because of it is 5 members have left because of 42 years are there. So we have left in the observations 25 minus 5 equal to 20 numbers are there. So what is the present age of club members? So here what is the present? Present how many numbers are there in club members? 20. How many numbers are there? 20. Okay. We find the 20 members average. Okay children? Okay. Solution. Mean of age. Mean age of 25 members. Age of 25 members of the club. So first 38 years. 38 years. So here sum of age equal to 25 members. It means 38 plus 38 plus and so on plus 38. Here of 25 members are there. So in the middle total is 25 numbers are there. So write in 38 into 25. So 38 into 25, do the multiplication 38 into 25. 5 4s are 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 0, 9 plus 6 15, 950. So sum of 25 members age. Sum of 25 members age is 950. So here, if 5 members with mean age of 42 years has left. So here, mean age of 5 members of the club equal to 42 years. So here sum of 5 members age. Sum of 5 members age. So here 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42 plus 42. So here write 42 1 2 3 4 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. Sum of 5 members age is 210. So it is a 25 members age 950 years. It is also 5 members. So according to the problem, if 5 members with mean age of 42 years have left, so it means of 25 minus 5 equal to 20 numbers. It is a number of observations. Number of observations. The present number of observations. Okay. So here 25 members age years is 950 minus 5 members age 210. So 950 minus 210, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 9 minus 2, 7, 740. So it is a sum of all members age. Sum of all members age. Okay. Now find the arithmetic mean equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. Present number of observations. It is a present age of the club members. So here 20, 740. So 20 is 3 20 60. Here 4 and 1. Here write 0. Okay. 140. 7 20s 140. So it is a 37. Therefore, the present age of club members equal to 37 members. So 20 members age. All are 20 members age is 37 years. Okay, children? Did you understand this problem? Okay. Example 4. Arithmetic mean of 9 observations was calculated as 45. So here how many observations are given? 9 observations. It means number of observations is 9. So calculated as 45. So each observation is a 45. So each one observation is a 45. So total observations 9. 9 45s. Calculate them. Okay. Next. In doing so, an observation is wrongly taken as 42 for 24. So here one observation is you have to take the wrong. So that is as 42 for 24. It means of the total observations 9 minus 1 observation. So 1 observation and again adding the 1 observation. 42 is a wrong observation. Then in the place of change is 24. Adding of yet another observation. One total 9 minus 1 is a observations. Okay. It is a one observation is wrong. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8. for 24 plus 1 equal to 9 observations too. So total number of observations equal to 9. Solution. Mean of 9 observations equal to 45. It means of each one observation is 45. So it means 45 plus like that 9 observations. So here and so on plus 45, it means 9 observation means we should write here 45 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 405. It is a sum of 9 observations. Okay. According to the problem, according by the problem, one observation is wrong. One observation is wrong. That is 42. So here 405 minus 42. So 405 minus 42. 5 minus 2, 3. Here 10 is there. Borrowing 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Here minus 1 equal to 3. 363. And at the same place, adding the 24. It is changed to adding the 24. So 363 plus 24, 783. 387. So it is a sum of observations. Sum of observations. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, one observation is wrong. It is a total 9 observations of mean 405. It is a one observation is wrong. 400 minus, what is the one observation? 42. The value is the 42. 405 minus 42, 363. So, and at the same time, adding the another observation. One observation is a wrong, one observation is a left and one observation is a adding. 42 left and 24 is a adding. 363 plus 24 is a 387. It is a sum of observations. So number of observations here 9 minus 1 equal to 8. One observation is left. Again adding the one observation, that is a 9. So number of observation is a 9. Therefore number of observations is 9. Number of observations is 9. Okay. So find the correct mean. Find the correct mean. Therefore correct mean equal to sigma xi by n. What is the sigma xi? Sum of all observations. So here x bar equal to sigma xi, sum of all observations, 387 by number of observations. So how many number of observations is there? 9. So divided by 387. And ninth table 4 times 36. Here 8 minus 6 2, 3 minus 3 0, 27. So 3 9s are 27. So it is a 43. What is this? What is this 43? Then we the correct mean of observations. So therefore the correct arithmetic mean is 43. Okay children? Children, listen carefully. It is the next concept, arithmetic mean by deviation method. In the previous class, we learned in the only find the arithmetic mean. In this case of arithmetic mean by deviation method, in this case of one formula is there, that is a arithmetic mean equal to estimated mean plus average of deviations. Average of deviations. It is a arithmetic mean by deviation method. So listen carefully, children. It is a very important topic. So I have taken the 5 observations of in the data. So it is a 7, 10, 15, 21 and 27. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. It is a 5 observations. I have to take the one example, give the one example. I have to take the 5 observations. Okay, children? When asked to estimate the arithmetic mean of data with the actual calculation, 3 students, Kamal, Neelima and Lekhya. So, Kamal, Neelima and Lekhya. I am asking 3 members, Kamal, Neelima and Lekhya. So, Kamal said to estimated mean is 17. Estimated mean is 17. So here Kamal estimated that is exactly between minimum and maximum is a 17. So it is a estimated mean in Kamal. Estimated mean in Kamal. At the same time, Neelima also estimated mean is 15. Estimated mean is 15. And Lekhya, she is also estimated mean 16. The 3 members are set to different estimated means. Okay. So, how can you do that? So, it is a very simple. Listen carefully. So, it estimated mean is, it means of 17, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 observations. The sum of all observations by number of observations. For example, we do that 7 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21 plus 27. Okay. So, it is 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 15, 32. 32 plus 21, 53. 53 plus 27, 80. 80 by number of observations 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones are 5, 6 5s are 30. So the average arithmetic mean is the 16. So here Kamal is estimated mean. She did not do the solve the problem. Just estimated. Kamal is estimated mean is 17. And Neelima is estimated mean is 15. And Lekhya estimated mean is 16. So which is the correct answer? Lekhya said to correct answer. Okay. So now arithmetic mean by deviation method. So first 3 members do the first case. Kamal estimated mean. Consider the Kamal estimated mean is estimated mean A equal to 17. It is a Kamal. Case 1 is a Kamal. So here their actually arithmetic mean is, we know that their actually arithmetic mean is sigma xi by n. So it means writing 7 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21 plus 27 by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations. Okay. Now if each observations is written in term of deviation from assumed mean A. So it is A. So here Kamal estimated mean is a 17. So each and every term subtraction of what number subtraction they will get the observations. So for example here 17. So 7 will get the 17 minus 10. 17 minus 10 is a 7 plus 17 minus 7. 17 minus 7 is a 10. Okay children, did you understand? Plus 15. 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2 is a 15 plus 17 subtraction are not there, adding 17 plus 4. 17 plus 4 21 plus 17 plus 10 equal to 27. Did you understand, children? So by how many observations are there? Number of observations 5. Okay, children. So in the x bar equal to, write in first all 17s. In the first, in the every group of write in 17. So 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17 plus 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining minus 10 minus 7 minus 2. Remaining minus 10 minus 7 and minus 2 and plus 4 and plus 10 by 5. Okay. So here write. How many 17s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 17s. So 5 into 17 minus 10 minus 7 minus 2. 10, 7, 2. Adding that. Because of it is 3 numbers of minus, symbols of minus is there. First you do the adding. 9, 19. So here minus 19 plus 4 plus 10 plus 14 by 5. Okay. Next. That equal to 17 5s are 7 5s are 35. 7 1 7 plus 3 105 minus 19 plus 14 minus 5 by 5. So 100 by 5. Okay, children. At the same time, in this 100 by 5. So it is how many times are they? 20 times. But it is once up. So that here x bar up to here, right? Then or write in or 5 into 17 by 5. That divide the, separate the denominator. Plus minus 10 minus 7 and minus 2 plus 4 plus 10 by 5. Okay. Then I will separate the denominator and two parts are divided. Okay, children. So here same. 5 into 7 by 5. It means of 5 5 cancel. So here 5 5 cancel. What is this? 17 minus. Here minus 10, minus 7 and minus 2. That minus 10, minus 7 and minus 2 is a minus 19. 4 plus 10, 14 plus 14 by 5. So it is 17 minus 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 17 minus 1 equal to 16. So it is a Kamal estimated mean is a 16. Okay. It is the case 1 Kamal estimated mean. But here 17, he is estimated is 17. But how to find the estimated mean? The formula sigma xi by n equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. So estimated mean is 17, but it actually mean is the 16. So it is a Kamal, is it right or wrong? Answer? Wrong answer. Okay. Next one is Neelima. Next one is Neelima. Same time Neelima also. Neelima. So she is estimated mean is the 15. Estimated mean is 15. So at the same time x bar equal to sigma xi by n. So here write same number, same observation, 7 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21 plus 27 by 5. Okay. So here their arithmetic mean is sigma xi by n. Now x terms of deviation method. Now should write the deviation method equal to. So here she is set to the estimated mean is 15. So here 15 minus what number is subtraction, they will get the answer 7. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So here write 15 minus 8. Here 2 plus 7. Okay. Plus 15 minus 5 is 10. Plus here 15. 15 minus 8. What will number that 15? 15 minus 0. 15 minus 0 plus 15 plus 6, 21 means adding, plus 15 plus 12 by 5. So in this all group of 15 is a common is there. 15 is a first term is 15 is a common is there. So that is how many 15s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 5. So 5 into 15 by 5. Okay, minus plus minus 8, next minus 5 and next minus 0 plus 6 plus 12 by 5. It means of the arithmetic mean is estimated mean plus average of deviations. Did you understand, children? Estimated arithmetic mean equal to estimated mean plus average of deviations. Okay, 5 cancel here, remaining 5. What is the 15 here? Nil by estimated mean plus minus 8 and minus 5, minus 13 plus 6 plus 12 plus 18 by 5. 15 plus 18 minus 13, 5 by 5. 1. So 15 plus 1 equal to 16. Here also arithmetic mean is 16. But she is said to 15 estimated mean. It is also, Nilima also set to wrong answer. So next Lekhya. Next one is the Lekhya. Once observe that Lekhya. So third case, Lekhya, estimated mean equal to 16. Estimated mean equal to 16. So here sigma xi by n, it is a arithmetic mean equal to. So write sum of observations 7 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21 plus 27 by 5. Number of observations is 5. Okay, children. So here Lekhya estimated mean is 16. So now write x terms of deviation method. X bar equal to x term of deviation method. X bar equal to, so 16 minus what number is subtraction, they will get the 7. It means of 9. 16 minus 9 is 7 plus 16 minus 6 is a 10 plus 16 minus 1 is a 15 plus 16 plus 5 is a 21 plus 16 plus 11 is a 27 by number of observations is 5. So here write of arithmetic mean equal to estimated mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 16s are there. 5 into 16 by 5 plus it is the estimated mean plus here minus 9, minus 6, minus 1 plus 5 plus 11 by 5. 5 cancel, remaining 16 is there. So 16
plus 9 minus 6, 15 minus 1, 16. So here 16 minus 16 plus 5 plus 11 plus 16 by 5. 16 plus minus 16 plus 16, 0 by 5. 16 plus 0 by 5 means 0. The 16 is a arithmetic mean. So she is said to correct answer. Lekya is said to correct answer. What is the estimated mean here, Lekya? 16. Remaining Neelima and Kamal is estimated mean is 17 and 15. So these two members are tell the wrong answer. Lekya is a correct answer. So what is the mean arithmetic mean? 16. It means of average of your observations. Okay, children. These three methods very important. Okay, children. Okay.
Thank you, my dear children. I hope to understood today's topic. Thank you.